and welcome to my channel, DishDashDelish, keeping it real and simple. Today I'm going to be making a simple, quick and delicious marinade for grilled lamb. Over here we have 2.5 pounds of thinly sliced leg of lamb. And here 15 cloves of garlic, 4 Thai chilies, you could use any chilies to your preference, 1.5 cups of fresh mint, 1.5 cups of fresh cilantro, half a cup of fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, a cup of yogurt, a mixed seasoning. I like to use the 12 seasoning salute. You could use any Italian seasoning, any kind of seasoning you like. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of this, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of allspice. Not forgetting my favorite, olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Over here we have half a tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps to tenderize the meat while marinating. And we have salt to taste. We're going to put all the fresh ingredients and all the spices, the oil, the yogurt, everything in the blender, and we're going to grind it to a smooth paste. Always taste your marinade before you put your meat in. Perfect. I like to grab a Ziploc bag to add the meat and marinate it in the fridge overnight. You don't have to marinate it overnight. It could be for 1 hour, 2 hours, half an hour, or even grill it immediately. But I like to put it in the fridge overnight. This way the meat absorbs all this delicious Green Goddess sauce and is ready to go. I have washed my hands. All the meat's in the bag. With my other hand, I'm going to grab the marinade and pour it all over the beautiful lamb pieces. There you go, guys. Marinade all done. You could grill this in the oven indoors or outside on the grill. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, DishDashDelish, keeping it real and simple. Bye!